so bright. Can't I just stay in the darkness? Alright, so he's got welcome back to my channel. So today, by the title, I don't know why I look like this. I don't know why I look like this. Also, it's very noisy. I know. My sister's vacuuming. She just wants to make noise today. But today, by the title, we are doing a cleaning with me video. My room is a mess, okay? It's been a mess. I've had no motivation to clean it. I've just been in a slump. And I just been really, not myself lately. So my room's been taking a toll. I'm literally like a freak, a clean freak. So this for me is like stressing me out even more. So we need to clean it. I got a new dresser thing, container. I don't even know how to explain it. I got a drawer that I need to set up. So that is what we are doing today. All I hear is this bloody vacuum. It's all I hear. But I'm gonna show you guys. Let's get ready. I look a mess, but it's fitting for the video because my room's a mess. So we're twinning at this point. But let's get into it. I need to clean it. I need to literally just deep clean my entire room. It's disgusting. So that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put some tunes on, watch some TV. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is gonna take a minute. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like now. Okay. So this is what we're working with right now. Yeah, it doesn't look bad when you look at here. It's like, oh, she just has stuff on the table. No. My floor, a mess. Like, a mess. My drawers, a mess. My closet shelves are just done. My shoes, my sneakers, everything's a mess right now. So I have to pick up all this, clean it. I think some of it's dirty. Yeah, it's rough. My bed's a mess. It's a mess. I need to just strip it and get new sheets on my bed. My table here. Yeah, this is looking rough. We're struggling. Oh, also the ground. Love that for us. Love it. Drawers are sticky. This is so bad. And this corner is just a mess. So I'm getting rid of this little dresser here. This is what I was talking about. I got a new one. I got an Alex drawer, which is like this, but a really tall one. So this is going to be thrown away. And it's broken, so I needed to get a new one. So I'm going to set that up and do all that. But before we set anything up, I need to clean this mess here. Yeah, it's a lot going on. So let's get started. Let's get started. This is really bad. Okay, let's do it.
to leave it all behind. Should I change my mind? You say you can make it right by asking me to stay, baby, but clearly our heads are stuck in the sky now, spinning in circles, we're bound to land. No, shouldn't have made so many plans. Not sure we ever got a chance to give it everything we had, but hold on. Oh, my thoughts are overloaded. I think I need a moment. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed. Need a better motive, and you don't even know it. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed. Some things just can't be changed. But some things just can't be changed. Wish these memories would just fade into the night clouds and flying for hours. Looking out my window pane, watching the moonlight, it keeps you on my mind. Turning my back to the sky now, why is it hard to forget you now? Whoa, shouldn't have made so many plans. Not sure we ever got a chance to give it everything we had, but hold on. Oh, my thoughts are overloaded. I think I need a moment. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed. Need a better motive, and you don't even know it. You're asking me for something, but some things just can't be changed. Some things just can't be But some things just can't be changed. Nobody else, there is nobody else. But maybe I'm running